Hey Breakholders, how you doing? So today I'm very happy to present you the new system of custom fields from Brackle. We call it attributes now, so let's dive into it. So you can see that if you go to settings now, you have a section that is called data. And inside data, you have person, which is to manage the fields and custom fields of your individual leads. Then you have company section, which is to manage the attributes of the companion leads that you have. So I'm going to do the demo with the persons, the individual leads. It's the exact same system when it comes to companies. So the first thing that you're going to notice is that you have attributes that are system attributes. So what it means is that it's default fields. So you have website URL, company role, mobile number, like all the kind of basics, right? And so these type of fields, they cannot be deleted from the software, but you can hide them if you don't want to see them in your leads profile. And so from there, you can organize pretty much everything, so very easily. So if you care more about some type of data, you can just put them above. So pretty basics. But the most important thing about this new feature is all the different types of fields of attributes that you can create. So if I click on create attribute, you can see that I have many different types of attributes. So in the past, Breckle was only about like text fields, text custom fields, text custom attributes. Now you can create paragraph, you can create numbers, you can like check boxes, and using the API, maybe for example, if you have a Google form on the lead, like it can be used through like Zapier or Make. And so if someone fills a form, you can say, okay, fill the form, check. And so you can do many stuff like that. I'm actually going to create one here. So checkbox, filled out the tally form, the type form. So let's do type form, and I'm gonna say a description. So I'm gonna call it discovery call form, uh, filled out. And then I'm just gonna create that one. So you see it's here. I'm gonna say, okay, I want to put it just above like the source. Right. And so as you can see, we have a new type of attribute that is called source, which is basically to know that from where the lead comes from. And so you're gonna see it's very cool because now you can like through the API, Zapier, Make, etc. Oh, directly inside Oracle, you can tell from where the leads come from. And in the future, we're going to use that data to provide you with like CRM analytics with like a pie chart so that you know which leads are coming from which channel, but also which ones are converting the most from the different channels, right? And so, yeah, you see, you can like create options. So, like, it's source and I have many different options. And so if I go to attribute again, so let's like there's like now you have like dates. You can like use a selector, multiple options, currency, location with like Google Maps. I'm gonna show you. It's pretty cool. And then you have like phone number, relation, which is for example to say, okay, like Michel from Call IQ, he's in relation with Alex from Call IQ. So you can do relation with companies, but also with individuals for leads and companion leads. So this is just like extra relations you can create. And so we try to take inspirations from like, like the massive big CRMs, HubSpot, etc., and really take the best out of it to make it a simple system inside Brackle, which serve SMBs, as you know. And so yeah, now I can maybe show you how it's look like. So I'm gonna go to a lead there, and we're gonna see together. So I'm gonna pick. Actually, I don't know like which one. I'm just gonna like pick maybe someone a little bit more public to the guys. So yeah, actually, let's just take Kevin here, who tried Brackle from Lemlist. And so yeah, you see we have a new design here that is much more easier than before. And so you see here you have the source of the lead, and when you type a description, you have like a little tooltip that explain to you or to your team, which is very helpful if you have a team or virtual assistant, what it is about. And so from there you can say, okay, this guy, he comes from LinkedIn, this is where he discovered us for sure, like I know it. But in the future, if this person fill out a form, you can do some automation so that it's filled out automatically. So I'm going to click on LinkedIn right there, and you see here filled out the type form. discovery call form filled out. So let's say here it's like no, and now it's yes when you click on it. So you can imagine all the things that you can do with this little system. And from there, we're going to also add in the future automation based of what's happening. So this is where it's going to be become really, really interesting, I think. So phone number, as you can see, like now it's more structured. So some of you guys, you ask for a template, a default phone number for everyone in your workspace, so we're gonna add that pretty soon. And so yeah, from there, like you have also like the city that I talked to you about. So I think like Lemlist Empire, like they like in Paris. So if I click on Paris, like you see like you have the Google Maps. It's not exceptional, guys, but I just think it's pretty cool. And just then you just click on it, and you can see where your lead is located precisely, depending if you have the address or the city. So yeah, like a little gadget, but still pretty fun. So, but the fundamentals, you have it there, which are essentially that custom fields had a massive upgrade. And I'm going to show you now that you can also use these custom fields. Like I said, like in Zapier Make. So I'm not going to show it in the video, but also you have the new custom fields inside the Google Chrome extension. So I'm going to show you this right now. All right, so now we are on LinkedIn, and like I say, like on LinkedIn, when you're using the Chrome extension, like all the custom fields that you created will be in the Chrome extension. So like again, like the source of the leads is a new custom attributes, like fill out the form is a custom attributes. And yeah, everything is a custom attributes. I'm gonna put my city, Lyon, France here, and yeah, boom, I'm there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. I hope you like this new feature. We have many plans around it. You already gave us feedback in the Intercom live chat, so thanks a lot for that. And as usual, we're gonna keep shipping. We have new things coming up, so stay tuned and talk to you soon on Brackle. Cheers, bye. By the way, guys, I also forgot to tell you that you can also filter all your leads in people in the pipeline in many different part of the software with custom attributes. So if you can say, for example, okay, I just want to see the leads who filled out the type form, and I'm gonna say equals uh, yes. So you see here, I can say, okay, I just want to see the people who filled out the type form. And in the example, I think it was just Kevin. So normally just Kevin should shut up. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And I think this will be super important as you experience the software. So yeah, that's it for me. Bye.